I decided to come here to learn how to fly. It's such a unique opportunity that I don't think I might have done somewhere else, and the feeling of flying is just amazing.
I love airplanes, love flying, landing a plane. It's an accomplishment. It's a dream coming true.
It was great, like girls can do aviation as well. We need more women in here. It's much more fun than business, economics or any other essay subjects, to be honest.
Definitely, it's like just confirmed to me that I want to be a pilot when I'm older. It just showed you that how some pilots just live their life each day. So that's really cool. And it's a once in a lifetime experience. You make new people, make friends for life.